C1 Sequences Example 16. In this example, we've been given that the third term of an arithmetic series is 13 and that the sum of the first 6 terms is 96, and we've been asked to find the 10th term. So here we've been given two pieces of information. So we've been told that the third term, so the third term, remember, is U3, is equal to 13, and we've also been told that the sum of the first 6 terms, so S6, is equal to 96. And we need to work out what the 10th term is, so we want to work out what U10 is. So we've got two pieces of information, so we can form a pair of equations which can help us to solve this. So U3 is equal to, we can use this, so U3 is equal to A plus n minus 1d, so we've got A, n minus 1, so we've got 3 minus 1, which is 2, so we've got 2d, and we know that U3 is equal to 13, so we know that this is equal to 13. Second piece of information, we've got the sum of the first 6 terms, and we can use this formula here. So we've got n over 2, so we know that we're working out the first sum of the 6 terms, so n is 6, so you've got 6 over 2, which is 3, and then you've got 2 multiplied by a, so you've got 2a, plus n minus 1, so n is 6, so 6 minus 1 is 5, multiplied by d, and I know that this equals 96, and then I can write this again just to expand the bracket, so I've got 6a plus 15d is equal to 96. So I've got two equations, this one here and this one here, and I can solve them simultaneously. Before I can do that, I'm going to multiply, so I've got this one here and this one here. I'm going to multiply this one to get the coefficients of a the same. So this is 6a, so I'm going to multiply this equation by 6. So I'm going to get 6a plus 12d is equal to 78. So now if I write these out again, I've got 6a plus 15d is equal to 96. And I've got 6a plus 12d is equal to 78. Okay, so now I can subtract these, so the 6a and the 6a cancel. I've got 15d minus 12d, so I get 3d, and then I've got 96 minus 78, which is 18, so d is equal to 6. So now I've got what the difference is. I also need to work out what the first value is, so the first term, so I need to work out what a is. So I can substitute this back into this equation here. So I've got a plus 2d is equal to 13. I've just worked out that d is equal to 6, so I've got 2 times 6 is equal to 13. So a plus 12 is equal to 13. So from there I can see that a is equal to 1. So now I know what my a and my d are, I can work out what my 10th term is, U10. So U10, I'm going to be using this formula here, this one here. So U10 is going to be a plus n minus 1d. So a, over here we've got 1 plus n minus 1, so n is 10, so n minus 1 will be 9. Multiplied by d, d is 6, so I've got 9 multiplied by 6. So I've got 1 plus 54, so U10 is equal to 55, so that's my 10th term.